The Prospan pneumatic shores have been designed to be maintained in-house. Should a maintenance concern exceed your capability, simply contact Prospan for assistance. In its normal working condition, the piston should travel smoothly within the outer aluminum tube of the Prospan. Depending on the environment it's used in, dirt can sometimes enter the Prospan and create a grit-like feel to the piston travel. When this occurs, it's time to perform some simple maintenance. To do this, we begin by removing the whale plates and the swivel end attachments from each end of the Prospan. Remove the threaded plunger pin from the piston end. Remove the outer collar. Remove both retaining screws and lift off the inner collar. Pull the piston from the Prospan and remove all dirt and sediment that may be in the tube, and then thoroughly clean the piston cup. On occasion, it may be necessary to remove the aluminum casting at the base of the Prospan and clean the lower cup as well. Reassembly is nothing more than reversing your steps. It's that easy.